Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by forcing the error to appear reliably, then capture its evidence. Run a minimal repro or failing unit test and enable debug logging so you have full stack context and timestamps. Once done, start an interactive debugger, PDB, IPDB, or your IDE breakpoint, to stop at the faulty area and inspect state. Make sure to note input values and external conditions that correlate with the failure, because diagnosing requires concrete, repeatable steps rather than guesswork. Once paused, methodically step through the code. Step into functions where logic is suspect, and step over well-tested utilities. Inspect locals, globals, and the call stack to see how data transforms. If the bug occurs intermittently, add conditional breakpoints or watch expressions to trigger only when relevant state appears. Make sure to isolate external systems with mocks so you can run unit tests quickly. Narrowing the scope reduces variables and reveals the exact failing assumption, or you finalize by applying a focus change that addresses the root cause, not just symptoms, and immediately add a regression test that reproduces the original failure. Then run your full test suite, linters, and any performance profilers to ensure no side effects. Once green, commit with a clear message and push to trigger CI. If CI fails or new regressions surface, revert or create a hotfix branch. Tip: when things go wrong, bisect commits or use git bisect to pinpoint the introducing change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.